Hello and welcome back po sa ating Matsuri Podcast, mga kaibigan. Ang show kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang Japanese and Filipino festival culture. Kasama na dyan syempre ang anime, cosplay, collecting, gaming at kung ano-ano pa under the sun and under Japan, mga kaibigan. Kasama ko, ako po ang inyong host, Israel Budaobrata. Kasama kong host ay si...
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako si Yuki, komedyanteng Hapon galing sa Japan. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, Yuki.
Konnichiwa.
Kumusta ka?
Okay naman, mabuti naman.
Oo, pare, ang dami nating pag-uusapan ngayon tungkol sa Japan. Para sa dinamit na pwede natin
Tapos na? Tapos na sa ban natin?
Wag. Sa dinamit na pwede natin pag-usapan sa Japan, tungkol sa Japan yun.
Opo.
Ito pa napili natin.
Ano?
Ito ang ating bisita ngayon.
Oh. Paano pa kilala dyan?
Ikaw yung unang, kayo nung nakasama kita ng 2017, tatlo kayong Japanese comedians na nakilala ko na sumali sa Funny One Season 2 ng show.
Kami ba first yung nakilala mo ng komedyanteng Hapon?
Japanese comedian, personal.
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 Bakit bukod sa personal, sino kilala mo yung komedyanteng
Hindi ko
Hapon?
kilala yung mga names, pero napapanood ko dati, yung mga komedyante, pero mga siguro comedic actor. Meron ako mapanood nun sa YouTube, sa TV. Merong show nun sa Japan na parang yung tahimik lang sila, hindi pwedeng tumawa.
Yung Gamarucho ba yata? Yung pantomime.
Ano ka?
Gamarucho ba?
Gamarucho.
Para yung may, kunyari may bag, tapos ganun.
Tao rin. Yun. Yan, napapanood ko yan. Tapos meron yung iba, parang nagsasakitan sila. Bawal tumawa, sa library sila, ganyan. Ano pangalan nun?
Yung isang contents, waratte wa ikenai toshokan. Yung komedyante, para downtown.
Downtown yung pangalan ng
Parang
grupo.
Diyos ng comedy sa Japan.
Yun yung grupo.
Downtown, yung dalawa lang.
Duo sila.
Duo sila. Pero yung
nila.
parang TV show nila downtown, yung isang contents, yung waratte wa ikenai series, para bawal tumawa.
So since then, yun lang yung mga napapanood ko. Siyempre, nung bata-bata tayo, mga kaidaran ko dyan, ang napapanood ko, Takeshi's Castle. Nakakatawa yun para sa
Takeshi din, parang legend ng komedyante sa Japan.
As ito na, sila Yuki na. Sobrang... downtown.
Takeshi, downtown, ako na.
As sila Yuki na. Tatlo sila.
Pasok sa legendary.
Hanggang sa nag-solo na si Yuki. Kasama namin dito sa comedy crew. Stand-up comedian kami. So ito na, Yuki. Hindi ko alam na pwede pang bumaba.
Hindi. Pasok na top 3 Top 3. Downtown, Takeshi, Yuki.
Natutuwa ako nung nakaraan nating Matsuri na event. 2025, ang dami kong nakilalang mga
komedyante
Japanese
Hapon.
comedians. So, na iba-ibang style.
Iba-iba talaga. Daming style sa Japan.
Itong bisita natin, pare, iba din ang style.
Kahit sa Japan, sobrang kakaiba.
Para sa Japanese,
sobrang kakaibang style.
Kaya ipakilala na natin.
Sige po.
Ang ating guest, mga kaibigan, siguro may isang taon na. Isang taon o 2 taon na rin.
Mga 2 taon na yata.
Mga 2 taon na pong pabalik-balik sa Philippines para nag-open mic sa kasama namin, perform kung saan-saan ko nakikita tong taong to eh. Pakilala na po natin ang ating bisita, Japanese comedian na si Mahiro. Sausage Mahiro. Yun po ang gusto niyang pangalan.
Sausage Mahiro.
Gusto ko
Okay. Magandang reaksyon ng mga staff. Magandang reaksyon. Tawan-tawa sila.
So laugh.
At dyan po natatapos ang aming show. Maraming salamat po.
Bye-bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Uwi na kayo.
No.
I-explain ko lang paano mangyayari ngayong
2
episode.
hours I talk.
Magulo tong episode to, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Again, kami ni Yuki, Tagalog. Sausage Mahiro, kaming dalawa, English.
Yes.
Silang dalawa ni Yuki,
Japanese.
Yes. Sausage
So,
wish.
trilingual na naman ang mangyayari sa episode.
Baka marunong siya mag-Tagalog yata. Natuto na dyan.
Gaano katagal? How long have you been in the Philippines? When did you start in the Philippines?
9 months.
9 months.
9 months.
Philippines.
Yes.
Wala pang
Living full-time.
Full time?
Living full-time.
All totally 11 months.
11.
Parang gano'n, 9 months na nyo. Nagkakagulo na po sa translation. 9 months you started living in the Philippines.
Yes. So from last year from July.
From July.
Yeah.
9 months straight.
Yes.
You're
Sorry.
going back to Japan.
Sometimes
lang.
invite me. I
You perform.
Yes, come back. I basically live in Philippines.
But before that, you've been in the Philippines 2 times, 3 times.
Yes, and 2 times. Yes.
When did you start? The first time.
First time. Kailan?
In Philippines?
Oh.
Perform open mic.
Sa open mic, di ba? Open mic.
Oh, yes. 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Kaya pa 2 years. Mahigit. 2 years mahigit. Tapos yun, decide niya lipat siya 9 months na.
What made you decide to live in the Philippines? Bakit siya decision tumira dito?
Non-the Filipino.
So, yes, I like Philippines. So,
Ami, idol.
you don't like? You like Japan? Yes. Yes.
Why?
Tapos,
Countries.
Yes.
tapos nakapunta siya sa US. Sa Canada. Maraming.
So why Philippines?
Yes, boss. Philippines hot dog is red destiny.
Red?
Kara.
Ano yun?
Red.
Red
Hot dog.
Destiny.
Very destiny.
Sa sausage.
Philippines tender juicy. Wait.
Red, color red. In the
Wala rin?
Philippines.
Color red.
Different connotation, ha?
Ano connotation?
Iba pare. Ang dati, pag pula ang kulay mo, lalo na nung unang panahon na masyado pang magkakampi, masyadong may interaction ng Pilipinas tsaka Amerika.
Oo.
Ang red, ibig sabihin, communist.
Oo nga. Sa Japan din.
Meron din.
Sa Japan
Oo,
din.
Kaya pag sabi mong red Philippines,
Oo.
rebelde. Yun.
日本もやっぱ赤さ、共産党のイメージが強いから、そう。だからそっちコミュニストがでん
Yes.
No! Live translation.
Yes.
Nakakamali na translation.
Yes.
So, what do you do as a comedian? What do you do? What is your...
My comedy? My comedy is sausage comedy.
Wala. Diyan lang na yung sausage comedy. Meron din yung parang yung slapstick, ano? Yung
Slapstick.
yung comedy dyan la. Tapos sa Japan, manzai. Saka yung skit, parang konto. Meron din iba-iba dyan la. Pero wala pa akong nakita na yung dyan la na sausage.
Yes.
Ikaw lang.
Japanese basic style.
No.
Sa Philippines, nakita mo na yung mga iba't ibang klase ng comedy. May slapstick din kami.
Meron din. Tapos yung parang okrayan.
Okrayan. Roasting.
Roasting. Meron
Comedy
din.
yung ginagawa natin na stand.
Tapos meron din sausage comedy.
Wala. Comedy sa
Saan
Pilipinas.
meron? Doon ko yan, no, sorry.
Why? What is the sausage? What is the importance of sausage to you? Why sausage comedy?
What is it? So,
Why important?
So I always say, pachu. But you don't know pachu? Pachu meaning. Pachu meaning.
わかんないよ。
So when I bite Japanese sausage, splash meat juice. Okay, meat juicy sound is pachu.
Naintindihan niyo ba?
Dapat nagkape ako para sa episode na to.
Hindi pwede yung kape. Dapat alag. Kailangan alag.
Okay, wala ako nag-get sa sinabi niya.
Ako din.
Why sausage? You like sausage?
Yes, I like
eating.
sausage. Yes, I
When
always
did you start to eat sausage? What was the age? Youngest?
age? 3 years old.
2 years old.
2 years old.
Started eating.
3 years old.
3 years old.
Started eating hot dog?
Hot dog, so Japanese famous sausage is Shaoese.
Siya ano?
Shaoese. Parang German word ito. German.
Brand.
na.
Shaoese.
Shaoese.
Parang galing sa German yata.
So good
German
sound sausage.
Good. With the snap of the
Yeah.
skin.
May balat. So,
Snap niya yung tawag sa mga sausage eh. Pag may tunog at saka snap.
kaya yung krk, narinig ko niya,
Best.
hindi sa amin,
Ang Japanese na
yung tunog
na
na yung parang kagat ng balas.
ng balat ng sausage.
Kasi may,
Lahat ng Japanese alam mo yan. Yung tunog na yan.
hindi naman.
So-
pero parang familiar. Oo, pero parang,
Hindi naman siya nag-invento ng patch.
hindi. Parang naintindihan ko. Tapos kasi yung sabi niya, yung meat juice, di ba? Parang tumarisik. Kaya parang yung medyo tunog na yung parang tubig.
Tanong mo nga, saan tumalsik yung juice? Sa mukha niya?
どこにその汁は飛ぶの肉汁は。
どこに
どこに飛ぶ
Saan daw?
どこ
Yeah, a lot of place. Yes. A lot of place. Patch. So, a lot of place. Patch.
Okay.
Yes.
Marisik.
Pachu, that was the start.
Yes.
And then you immediately became comedian? You wanted to become a comedian ever since when you were young?
I started from 4 years ago.
4 years ago. How old are you?
いつからなりたかったの
Comedian. I wanted to be comedian, high school student.
High school.
Yes, but
But you started only 4 years
4 years ago.
How old are you? Okay, love.
Now 30 years old.
30.
30 years old.
So you started 26 years old Comedy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Akala ko sabi mo to sausage.
So,
Dapat sausage, yung joke niya. So, isa pa. Dapat joke mo. Dapat joke mo.
Tulungan
Thank you.
namin to. Actually, joke na to. Nasabi ko sa kanya.
Oh.
Oh.
So, anong age?
What is your age?
My age? You don't know my age?
No, I don't know. What age?
Okay.
Oh.
My age is sausage.
Talaga ng kape. Para dito sa episode na to. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. So, before graduate college, right? No.
Yes, yes. Correct.
What age?
Yeah, college.
What age did you graduate? College.
22 years old.
22. So,
I
4
graduate.
years again. From 22 to 26. What
Yes.
is your job? What did you do?
I work nurse. I used to be a nurse. Yeah, in the hospital.
Siya yung pasyente.
Yes, so yes. So I changed from nurse to sausage.
So, okay.
Yes.
You don't want to be nurse in the Philippines, no?
No.
No?
I don't work.
Pwede ba yan? Pwede. Sa Japan, kaya lisensya, di ba?
Oh.
Lisensya.
Different license.
Same, same din sa Filipino. Pag gusto maging nurse abroad,
Pwede.
alam ko mo kailangan pang
Di ba? Iba, di ba?
aral, oo, din. Content.
Kaya.
Pag registered nurse, hindi ko alam kung registered nurse. Pero alam ko, may mga ganun, may mga certification sila or training or number of hours yata na nire-require.
Tapos lalo na ngayon, naging sausage na siya. Hindi na pwede. Kasi sa Japan, hindi na
Walang
pwede.
titiwala.
Walang tiwala.
Nurse.
So,
What did you do as a nurse? Emergency room? Where?
確かに。
Urology.
urology. Hindi ko alam. Hindi.
Urology?
urology.
Urology.
Urology?
Inyo siya mo to?
So.
Tungkol sa ano?
Parang ihi.
Oo.
Oh.
So again, sausage!
no, this. I like delicious sausage.
かなんだ。
This.
Tapos anong ginagawa mo sa, 何やったのその入居で。何を
Caring.
Caring sa sausage. Caring sa sausage.
Elderly patient caring.
At tinanong mo kung anong ginagawa niya
Oo,
sa urology.
Oo,
Ano, so ano raw ginagawa niya?
caring.
Caring.
Caring sa sausage.
Hindi ko kaya to, para. Hindi ko kaya to nangyayari. Pero okay. So why did you decide to become comedian? From nurse to comedian?
Because
Did you watch something?
Yeah.
Did you what made you decide?
so I said I wanted to be comedian, high school student, but my teacher said don't be comedian. It's difficult.
Your teacher
Yes.
is correct.
Very good teacher.
Very good. Very, yes.
Yes, so
Very
body income.
Well,
so
yes,
very-
we have bad
yeah.
income. Yes, also.
Yeah.
No, good
So
income.
teacher said you must go college.
College.
So
College mo na.
yeah, so I interested in comedian or nurse.
Nurse.
So yes, and my mother said to me, please nurse.
Your mother
Yeah,
said nurse.
not
Oh.
comedian.
Very good mother. Very good mother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And then,
Yes, so I chose nurse. So I worked nurse for 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. But yes,
But you quit.
yes,
don't like
because
anymore?
yes, because I saw my elderly patient died. Yes. So I thought I needed to live a life without regret. Yes.
Ang gandang message.
Yes. So my life is once.
Mm.
So
yung pasyente na
namatay.
namatay.
yes.
Maganda. Life without regrets. Kung ano yung gusto mo, pangarap mo,
Oo.
gawin mo na lang.
Mama.
The patient had many regrets. You were talking to him.
Yes.
He wanted also to be comedian. No naman, no. He, the patient.
Yes.
He wanted to be comedian?
Commission no.
No. But he had many regrets.
Me. Yes.
Many regrets, the patient.
Yes. Different regret.
Different
Yes,
regrets. So you want to live your life without regrets.
Yes.
Are you regretting?
I'm so happy.
So happy.
I'm so happy.
Wala akong regret.
Happy Pachu.
Sabi ba ito? Tama yun.
Wala na tanong sa kanya.
So,
Wala na tanong sa kanya.
you stayed in the Philippines.
Yes.
From Japan.
Yes.
You have many countries visited before?
Yes.
Before the
Yes.
Philippines? Where did you live?
I performed America, Canada, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam. A lot. Yes.
Sumali siya sa Canada's Got Talent.
Canada's Got Talent. As yan na, the Pachu.
Pachu. Tapos palabas sa YouTube.
Meron
Yes.
pa di ba? Hindi lang Canada's Got Talent. Where else? Yeah, just Canada's Got Talent.
Yeah, Canada's got talent.
Canadaだっけ?
Canada only.
X Factor.
Oh.
Wala na gano'n. Wala.
Tapos yung pumunta siya sa iba-iba
What
bansa.
did they say when they saw the Pachu dance and performance? What did the judges in Canada's Got Talent say?
Yes. First, so if you watch my Canada's Got Talent, my
audition.
video,
So, sa YouTube po.
Sa YouTube, pero
so you cannot watch because okay. So when I joined Canada's Got Talent, so judgment said to me,
The judge said to you,
I don't like sausage. You don't like sausage?
それyung sausage mismo o sa'yo? Ah, あなたが嫌いなのか、ソーセージが
Sausage.
ソーセージmismo, ソーセージが
gusto ko magmura.
Yes. Yes. First judgment said to me,
I don't like sausage.
I don't like sausage, and as a judgment, I'm vegetarian.
totoo nila.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Okay.
So so I want to talk. So I changed from nuts to sausage, so to judgment. But judgment asked me, this is gluten free.
Yes, sausage.
Yes. So I only talk gluten free 5 minutes talking. Only. So I started. Yes, Canada's Got Talent show.
Gluten free. They were asking gluten free. Are you? He is vegetarian, whatever. So, here in the Philippines, how big of adjustment did you do in life in the Philippines? 9 months, diba? 9
Yes,
months, 11 months.
9 months.
9 months, yes.
How big adjustment did you?
Yes, good. Yes, I like.
Tayo stuff from there.
Anong
Philippine
adjustment
need.
ginawa niya?
Check. Yes. So,
What is the hardest part living in the Philippines? What do you not like?
Ay, hindi tanong.
it's traffic.
Tara.
Yes.
Kasi ngayon,
Filipinos don't like traffic. Oh.
kasi kanina din, 9 a.m. di ba, call time natin. Pero nandito na siya, 7:30.
Mm,
Kasi akala niya, sobrang
Traffic.
traffic sa yung umaga.
Yeah, ako, sobrang traffic yung umaga. Very hard to...
Kaya 7:30 na, nandito na siya.
Yes.
Para safety.
Okay, so traffic, you don't like. Filipinos don't like traffic. So what else? Food, you like food? Filipino food?
Yes, I like food. Yes, longanisa.
Longanisa.
Sausage
Like
pa.
longanisa.
Sausage pa rin ba? Yung longanisa. Sausage pa rin.
Yes.
So yun ang local na sausage sa Philippines.
Yes. So I like Baguio longanisa.
Very
Baguio.
sweet.
Yeah, garlic taste.
Two types eh. Garlicky and then sweet.
I ate garlic.
Yes.
Garlic sauce. Garlic longanisa is
Cebu din kakaiba, di ba? Kakaibang sausage sa Cebu.
May,
Nakatikim ka
sa
ba?
Cebu may spicy na longanisa.
Oo nga, tapos may bilog na yung longanisa.
Cebu also, they have also.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
So you've gone to different parts of the Philippines?
Yes, I went a lot of places in the Philippines.
Vacation or?
So now I do social media. So now,
Content creator, tama?
yeah, so I wanna perform out of the place in the Philippines. So I wanna dance sausage dance with 1,000 Filipinos.
You want to do sausage dance?
Yes. Now I wanna dance.
Ngayon?
I wanna dance. Yes,
Pero
sausage dance.
1,000 Filipinos.
Yes.
How many so far?
Now 800
Oh, malapit.
Filipinos. Yes.
Wow. Ito po yung
200 left.
Pwede pa focus dito direct, no? Ito po yung IG ng
Yes.
ating kaibigan Sausage Mahiro. Andiyan po yung kanyang mga videos kung saan nakipagsayaw siya.
Oo.
You know, every time you dance your video, right?
Yes,
with
yes,
different
yes,
Filipinos.
the different place.
What is the farthest place you've gone to the Philippines? Pinakamalayo.
So, I went to Davao. Davao, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, so
Pumunta siya sa tapos yung sumali din siya sa Sinulog. Sa Cebu.
yes,
Mm.
yes.
They have the Santo Niño. You did not scream Santo Niño, Pachu, no?
Santo Niño.
Santo Niño, the small
Senyor.
Jesus. That's a festival, Sinulog.
Yes, you know, festival. Yes.
So we celebrate that with the
Santo.
baby Jesus, Santo Niño.
Oh, okay, Santo Niño.
Mita, nakita mo?
Oh, I don't. Santo
Hindi na nakita. Enjoy lang siya. Enjoy lang siya. Fiesta lang. Fiesta lang. Para sa fiesta lang.
So ito yung ginagawa niya, mapapanood natin ngayon. Original music, right?
Yes.
Original music
Yes.
naman.
Original music.
And so far na 2 years na kami magkakilala ni Mahiro. Yan pa rin yun.
Di sa nagbago na yung
niya,
set niya.
1,000 Filipinos.
Yes.
Pero malapit na, 200 na.
Pag after 1,000 Filipinos dancing pa sausage dance, do you change dance? Do you add another music, another song? Do you add another song?
Next goal.
After
Next, next yes, as a song, other
song.
sing as a song.
Other song.
But now until 1,000
Ma-
Filipinos, same song.
Same song.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige, gusto natin makita to. Hindi ko alam.
Sausage dance.
Okay.
Sausage dance.
Okay.
Dito, you want to stop or
Okay.
you can stand. You can stand. The mic will pick it up.
This.
This. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Game?
Okay.
Guys, bahala na po kayong hawakan niyo po kung ano pong hinahawakan niyo nanonood dito, yung phone niyo, nakaupo kayo, waiga, basta kumapit po kayo.
Tapos
Mas hindi po ito.
sarang paalala ko sa inyo,
Mga paalala.
hindi to Japanese style ng comedy. Siya lang. Hindi normal ng Japanese comedy.
Pinakahiya mo, Yuki. Hindi naman
Hindi naman. May
naman.
proud ako sa kanya.
Pinapaliwanag.
Oh, pinapaliwanag na. Hindi normal ng Japanese style. Siya lang. Sa kanya lang.
Sige. Palakpakan natin si Sausage Mahiro!
Sausage and the dinner, sausage and the dinner, sausage and the dinner, sausage boy, sausage boy, sausage boy, sausage boy, sausage splash, sausage splash, sausage splash, sausage splash, splash to sun, splash to sun, splash to sun, splash to sun, splash to sun. Okay.
Dati, nakitira siya sa bahay ko. Mga 2 weeks. Ano?
Sa condo mo sa mga.
Oo, sa kondo ko. Tapos, lagi siya nag-edit. Yung music, yung
Sa videos.
videos. Naging trauma na ako sa sausage. Parang naging ayoko ng sausage. Pati sa music, parang ayoko na ng lahat. Parang depressed na ako. Totoo. Yung music, parang depressed. Araw-araw na ulit-ulit. Sausage sa, pachu.
Kaya siguro may mga vegetarian sa mundo.
Kaya ako, pwede ako decide na magiging vegetarian.
Kung may mga tao nakikinig na ito na ulit-ulit yung kanta, guys. Maaaring mag-decide silang maging vegetarian.
Oo nga, parang magiging vegetarian.
Pero maganda. I mean, original.
Yes.
Original music. Choreography also original.
Yes, original.
And sabi nga ni Yuki, hindi siya normal na genre or style ng comedy sa Japan. And hindi ko natatanungin. Gusto mo ba tanungin, Yuki, kung ano ibig sabihin ng kanta?
Tanong imi o siya tigasay.
I said, so, when I buy Japanese sausage, splash! Me to juicy sound is
Yun lang.
this only meaning. This only.
Okay. Okay. Splash! Splash mo lang.
Oh, I splash!
Yes.
Yun lang set niya, di ba? Yun lang set niya. Tapos parang every week open mic natin. Ulit-ulit niya eh. Tapos
Open mic po ang The Comedy Crew every
Wednesday.
sa Sasunado Bar and
sa
Resto
Ortigas.
sa Sabado.
Yes.
Tapos yung isang komedyante, yung comedy crew. Ilang beses napanood siya sa kanya. Pero yung last week yata, yung tinanong sa akin, Yuki, anong ibig sabihin na yung pachu? Pero yun, lagi siyang explain, pero hindi pa niya naintindihan. Oo, parang 10 na beses. Nakalimutan ko, CS yata? O,
Ano
parang
yung
yata.
ibig sabihin ng pacho?
Ayun, pero lagi siyang explain, di ba?
Oo.
Pero hindi pa niya naintindihan.
Siguro.
Ah.
Ayun yun. Yung sound kasi maybe Filipinos don't believe you that the sound of biting the
Oo.
sausage is pachu. That's well, may mga ganun naman na ano eh, 'di ba? Na sound din tayo na pwede natin pag-usapan sa next episode, yung mga onomatopoeia.
Onomatope.
Cultural yung...
Oo. Sa Japan, marami kasi onomatope.
Oo. So,
Dami.
ito, example lang, ang Filipino, barking dog,
Okay.
diba? Bark sa ibang bansa, bark.
Ano barking dog? Yung tao.
Diba? Sa American, ruff, ruff,
Oo.
ruff, diba? Pilipino, aw.
Para sa Pilipinas.
Aw.
Sa Japan, wang.
Wang.
Wang,
Diba?
wang.
So, may
Bagay.
cultural difference sa mga yung dapat fake sounds. And yung pachu, hindi ko alam kung paano yun. So, Sausage Mahiro, how will they, if someone is interested to book you in a show,
Minsan yun.
I don't know why.
Minsan kasali siya sa birthday party.
Birthday parties, yes.
Yes.
How many songs do you
yung
sing in a
Christmas
birthday?
party niya, yung last year, yung sausage company.
Yes.
Oh,
Kinuha niya.
Anong company?
Sa Davao ba?
So Cebu and
Cebu.
Davao very famous companies of Virginia.
Virginia sausage.
Yeah, sausage. Oh.
Yes.
Sa yung Mindanao, sikat daw.
Yes. Davao's area.
Mm.
Yes.
Ang
They
galing.
got you for the party.
Christmas
Yes.
party.
How many songs did you sing?
4 songs.
4 songs.
Anong
Yes.
reaction nila? Yung tulad.
As a very funny, very laugh, very laugh. So as a song, okay, I'll teach you everyone as a song.
Other song.
Okay, other song. Okay.
Special sound.
Okay.
Okay. 2 years na tayong kakakilala. Iisang kanta lang yun.
Puro mo siya na?
I heard one song.
Shit.
First time din ako.
Yeah.
First time. Sige. Sige. Oh, bebe.
Finally, may
Okay.
bagong song. So, umiyak.
Sige.
Okay.
Guys, pagbibigyan natin
Okay,
siya.
that's okay.
Isang bagong kanta galing kay Sausage Mahiro na lahat tayo first time nating maririnig.
ここ初おろし
いや、実は見てます。
あ、見てるのかい
Ano, tapos,
Okay.
guys, hindi nyo alam yung excitement ko kasi 2 taon ko na naririnig yung isang kanta na yon. Gusto ko nang maging vegetarian.
Okay.
Sausage Mahiro, go. Other song.
Okay, other song, okay. So everyone, what do you think my favorite food?
Sausage.
Sausage? No. I like banana and sausage. So banana sausage. I like banana sausage. I sing banana sausage song. It's okay.
Okay.
Banana sausage song, okay? Okay. This song, okay. Where?
Banana sausage song.
Okay, this banana sausage song, okay.
Ganda.
So this shaking, everyone shaking, okay. Shaking hands, okay. Shaking hands, okay.
Shaking.
Shaking, okay. Music, start. Banana sausage, 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 banana sausage.
Hey! Bagong kanta. nga.
Okay.
Oh, bago. Bago talaga.
Mukhang kailangan
Bago
ko
lang.
mukhang kailangan ko ng medical, sakit sa ulo ko.
Oh,
Sakit sa ulo ko.
Siya yung nurse eh.
Ha?
Siya yung nurse.
Siya yung nurse?
Oh, siya darang.
Hindi ako magtitiwala. Ano to, props mo to? Ang galing ha? Mukha siyang banana, props. Nabibili bang ganito sa Japan?
日本で買ったのこれ。
I make.
You make this?
Yes. My friend make.
Okay.
My friend make.
Okay, this is different ha? It's very nice.
Very nice. Yes.
Nice prop.
Props lang.
Thank you.
Anyway, we would like to see more of you. Sausage way, maybe different topic.
Ah, sige. Ibang topic.
Maybe different topic. Pero we appreciate your comedy. It's original. It's fun. A lot of people would love to hear your song once, just once in their lifetime, never to repeat. But if you want to repeat, I think a lot of people still want to listen. Very surprising. You dance in the street, diba?
Yes. Yeah.
What is the reaction? How do Filipinos react when you dance on the street?
Yeah. So everybody laugh. But sometimes
Oh.
They stare.
What's
They-
this? See, sometimes. Sometimes.
Parang always. Parang
Oh,
always.
no always.
Times.
Always.
No always.
No one is mad at you. Stop. No one says that. Stop singing. No one.
Wala.
No.
Oh,
No. Not yet.
Mabait
Sa
Pilipino.
sa mga ano.
Baka sa Japan talagang ayaw nila. Kaya lumipad siya dito. Para ban sa Japan.
Anyway, Yuki,
Sige.
meron bang Japanese word? Baka pwede ka magturo. Anong Japanese word ng sausage? Meron ba?
なんだろ
Meron
う。い
ba?
つも日本語を教えてるのはこれ一言、一ワード。
Kasi sa Pilipino, longganisa is parang yung
まあ、ソーセージ、ソーセージパリンね。ソーセージ。はい。
Eh, sausage na naman ang Pilipino. Yan, sausage din talaga.
Pero yung magkaiba sa Japan, yung pag hotdog, sa Japan, kailangan tinapay. Kaya akala ko yung parang kalenderya na hotdog, akala ko may tinapay na yung
hotdog
sausage bun.
Hotdog bun talaga. Oo. Sa Pilipinas,
Yun lang magkaiba.
American ang ano nun eh. Ang influence nun eh. Yung gano'n, yung influence ng American hotdog bun plus hotdogs. Yun talaga. Na-influence ng Pilipinas, pero ang Pilipino, kanin. So, itlog.
Yun na,
Diba?
medyo nagulat
Tapos
ako.
pag binabaon ng mga bata, nasa ibabaw ng kanin, pagbukas nila, tanggal yung hotdog, pula na yung kanin. Pula. Oo, diba?
Nahawa na yung kulay. Sige, sa isang salita ng Japanese, yung kanina sabi niya, meat juice. Meat juice.
Meat juice, yun yung katas ng...
Parang tumarasik na, yun na, sa Japan, nikujiru. O nikuju. Ba nikuju? Nikuju?
Juが正しい。
肉じゃ、
肉
肉
Ju is correct.
Nikujiro.
Niku, karne.
Karne, oh.
Yung parang yakiniku.
Oh,
Ihaw ng karne. Niku, karne. Tapos, ju, parang sabaw. Sabaw. Jiru. Sabaw.
Delikado yung mga salita.
Miso shiru. Yun do, shiru.
Shiro.
Shiru, jiru.
Jiro.
Ju.
Shiro.
Parang parehas. Sabaw. Ano?
Pwede yun. Niko Shiro. Pwede.
Niku jiru pwede.
Jiro.
Niku jiru o niku ju. Kaya meat juice. Parang sabaw ng karne.
Sabaw ng karne.
Parang
Katas. Katas.
Katas ng karne. Katas ng
Kaya
karne.
katulan tayo.
Nikuju.
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 Yun, na nanggagaling sa... Galing sa...
Galing sa?
Hindi na rin. Okay, titigil na po namin to bago masiraan kami ng ulo na tuluyan mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat. Sausage Mairo, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Basta.
Very fun, very fun.
Thank you so much.
Then hopefully we can see you again. But
Yes.
no more songs.
No more songs. No more songs. Yes, thank you.
Yung songs also next time. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Ayan naman po, nagtatapos ang ating episode mga kaibigan. Paring Yuki.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Yun! Arigatou gozaimashita.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye-bye guys.